so we weren't too late.
How are you? And then you're in the intermediate group with your Ferrari number 66?
Yes.
All right.
See the Ferrari, it roll like Safari, you better get hit like a wreck. My shorty a hottie, she all on my body, we turn up like it's a parade. Yo, shorty just met me, she ride with me heavy, cause money coming by the crib. She said she not from America, swear she is bad as Angelica. If you ain't talking about money, I'm sorry, but it is not registered. It is not registered. Sticking them up for the money, I tell them to empty the register. Pulling up in the Ferrari, I'm flexing on my like a bad and I pull up to the party.
You do one turn in, and a trick I have is instead of re-grabbing the wheel, if you drag a little bit of brake, it brings in the radius, and you lift off the brake or give it a little bit of throttle, it increases the radius.
Instead of using the steering wheel.
Exactly, because once you do a second bite, it's just ripping on the tires, just makes them.
That's gonna be a hard
out.
habit to change.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go register my car, and then I'll take you on one of the fast sessions, and I'll just kind of show you, and I'll show you the line too. It'll be fun. Yeah.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Off and
you hit
then
that
you're braking and turning. Yeah, it's fun.
You're hitting every berm, trying to gather it up, trying to slow down.
Did you go out in front of the last one?
I did.
Oh, you fucker. So you boxed everybody up. It was such a mess back there. You went out and took off. I was like,
I'm a little selfish. I box everybody so I can take off and have the whole chunk to myself.
I know.
Because if I leave going fast, then everyone's spread out, you know?
Yeah, which would have been nice for me.
And I pull up to the party, on 100 deep like a just in case they try to harm me. I know you'll probably be hating, just cause I'm rich and I'm famous. Honestly, it's entertaining, so you won't see me complaining. Pull up and start on the haters like, 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 pull up and start on the haters like.
To drive home. Yeah, it's like you just completely calm down.
Yeah.
Like all your movements become slower.
Right.
And like I was telling Mike, the smoother movements you have is easier on the tire, because like when you're making quick movements, it's like a rubber band. Your tire, you pull it quick, it's gonna snap. But if you pull it nice and smooth, you can stretch it a lot more.
Be careful.
Yes.
Thank you for letting him drive it. Don't let him do it again.
Yeah, thank you very much. That was so awesome. Like I'm at a loss of words. That was so cool. I was short shifting it the whole time. Well, no, because it revs up to like 9 or 10 grand, and I was like, oh, this sounds like it. Yeah, you got ways to go. No, you got 3,000 more RPM left before you're done. Oh my god, that thing's insane.
Yeah, these babies can sing.
It's awesome. I was a little late on braking, just in general. I was a little
on this corner right here.
Yeah.
The very end straight, yeah.
I was going a little bit too fast, and I got on the brakes a little bit too late, and
I was actually curious to see what would happen because I haven't pushed it that hard for braking there. So good to know. I was thinking maybe you would think I'm chasing you down. I don't think so.
No, that's what I thought. I was like, man, Mike's hauling some ass.
Holy shit!
Pull up and stand on the main light. Pull up and stand on the main light. Check out my new red Ferrari.